Hi, I'm Michelle, and today we're going to be discussing the methods you can use to form your LLC in West Virginia. We're going to be covering the steps involved in starting your LLC, the forms you're going to need, the naming requirements, and the 5 main steps you need to actually register your LLC. I'll also be explaining the importance of having a registered agent and a very key term known as piercing the corporate veil. Now, if these terms are not familiar to you, then I highly recommend you watch this video. The businesses thriving in West Virginia are the mining and the manufacturing businesses. Mining businesses are the largest contributor to the GDP of West Virginia, which is around $10 billion. The chemical business is the most established one out there, and its manufacturing units throughout the state is helping in creating around 1/5 of the state's jobs and around 40% income to the manufacturing businesses. You can start your West Virginia LLC by 3 methods. Number 1 is that you can do it yourself, in which case you can choose to fill out the forms online or send them off via mail. Number 2 is that you hire a professional service to do it for you, which is the most easy and secure method out there. Now, we recommend ZenBusiness as one of the best and the most affordable services for this purpose. Number 3 is that you can go ahead and hire an attorney. Coming to a very common question, what's an LLC? An LLC is a hybrid business entity combining a corporation's characteristics with a partnership or sole proprietorship. It separates your personal assets from your business assets and gives you personal asset protection. So when you're starting off your LLC in West Virginia, you mainly have to file your certificate of formation with the state and pay a filing fee of $100. Let's talk a bit about ZenBusiness. What are they offering? What are the plans? They have a starter plan, a pro plan, and a premium plan. It's perhaps the only formation service company that offers 3 important features in all of its plans. The starter plan has all the essential services required to form your LLC. It's a very suitable plan for you if you want something very budget friendly. Now, the starter plan is available at $0. However, you do have to pay the mandatory state filing fees. It's cost effective and offers all the essential services like a registered agent and your operating agreement draft. The pro plan offers some essential additional services along with the main services offered in the starter plan. Also, in the pro plan, it takes you lesser time to form your LLC. So what are you getting in this plan? You're getting advertising consultant, you're getting annual compliance, and expedited filing. The premium plan is by far the costliest plan offered by ZenBusiness. Now, the premium plan offers almost all the services related to the formation of an LLC, in addition to the services mentioned in the first 2 plans, which was the starter plan and the pro plan. It offers you a faster filing process, business website, domain, and your very own email address. In this video, we're going to discuss options number 1 and number 2, but we're going to place emphasis on why you need a professional service to do it for you, because you have to make sure you're doing your LLC work correctly. This is one of those things where you can't afford missing key information or have any form of misunderstandings. Now, talking about ZenBusiness, ZenBusiness is a very competent professional service which you can get, because forming your LLC is not just filing the certificate of formation, but it's also deciding on a name, hiring a registered agent, creating an operating agreement, and obtaining an EIN. Now, all of these can be done super easily with ZenBusiness. I'm going to be leaving the links in the description below. You can go there, check them out for yourself. But for now, we're going to talk in detail about the 5 main steps that you must cover when you're forming your LLC in West Virginia. The first step to starting off your LLC is basically choosing the business name. So before you name your business, you really should know that the name should be easy to remember. It should be available in the state and follows the LLC naming guidelines. You can find the naming guidelines at llcbuddy.com. The 4 key things that you need to be aware of when you're naming your LLC is that number 1, your business name should be available, and no other existing business in West Virginia can share that name. Each business name is unique to its owner. Number 2 is a limited liability company or LLC should be there as a suffix in the company name. Number 3 is that you cannot use any name for your business which could be confusing or misleading. So terms like State Department, FBI, CIA, this should not be included. Number 4 is that terms like bank, university, attorney, doctor, they can be added, but only after you fill out the requirements by the West Virginia state government. Now, suppose you don't want to file your LLC right now, but you want to hold on to the name you decided. Then you can reserve your name for 120 days. All you have to do is file a name reservation application and pay $15. The second and highly vital step to forming your LLC in the state of West Virginia is to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is an entity that's going to act and work on your LLC's behalf, and they're going to receive all the important paperwork and all the official government correspondence within West Virginia. This is why you need a very competent registered agent for your LLC. You also need to make sure your registered agent is a resident of West Virginia or at least has a physical street address over there. The business address is going to be used as the LLC's principal address in West Virginia. Now, most LLC formation companies do also provide registered agent services. ZenBusiness provides registered agent service as an add-on to the formation package, but also you can purchase it as a standalone service. Now, coming over to a very key thing that you need to note when you're getting a registered agent is the importance of having a legit one. Because in case of a lawsuit, the lawyer of the other party is going to do what is known as piercing the corporate veil. Most people believe they're setting up their LLCs for tax purposes, but the real reason for setting up your LLC is to limit your liability. Basically, what it does is that it creates a divide between your personal assets and your business assets. So if you're sued in your business, they cannot go after your personal assets. So when you're sued, the attorney who's the one suing you is going to start looking for little cracks in your LLC. And this is where they pierce the corporate veil. The first thing they're going to check is, do you have a registered agent? Is the agent legit? And have they been filing the paperwork correctly? The third and another important step in forming your LLC is to file your certificate of formation. The West Virginia Articles of Organization is a legal document needed to officially register your business with the Secretary of State. It's going to cost you $100 to file your formation certificate. Now, the certificate of formation includes the details like the name of your LLC, registered agent's name, your address, employee details, and the structure of your company. Are you member managed? Are you manager managed? So before you start hiring employees in West Virginia, you should really know about the rules and regulations thoroughly so you can avoid any future issues. We really suggest using ZenBusiness to file a certificate of formation because they provide an easier way to fill out the forms without any confusion or missing any step. If you get stuck anywhere, they have a great customer support service where you can go ask your questions and they will respond to you. The fourth step is filing your operating agreement. An operating agreement is an internal document that legally outlines the proprietorship and operating procedures of your LLC. This document is very vital as it ensures that all the business owners are on the same page regarding how they operate, their voting power, business dissolutions, and a lot more. This helps reduce future conflicts. So when it comes to filing your West Virginia LLC operating agreement, the state doesn't require you to have a very comprehensive operating agreement. But it is ideal to have one that contains the details of your business operation. It's for your own benefit at the end of the day. It's recommended that it should be done by using a professional service like ZenBusiness, since they know exactly what to do and you won't have to worry about missing any key detail. And they provide the service as an add-on to your formation package for a very small fee. The EIN is also known as the Employer Identification Number. It's a 9-digit number given by the IRS to make it easier to identify businesses for tax purposes. Now, the EIN is necessary for any active business out there. You need an EIN when your LLC is going to start hiring employees. Now, how do you get one? All you have to do is go fill up a form, which you can do online or by mail, and submit it to the IRS. You can also get an EIN through ZenBusiness, and they can help you with the process. I'll be leaving the links to all of the resources in the description below. You can go there, check out which of the options fit your requirements. But for now, I'm going to show you how you can file the forms using ZenBusiness. Now, this is the main page for ZenBusiness. You can type up your business name and you can have a search over there and you can start off your LLC. Pick out the state you want to start your business in. Now, they're going to run a name check, see if it's available or not in the first place. Do you have any prior business experience? Let them know if you're going to have any employees as well. Let them know if you want to have any physical location other than your home. So like if you're setting up a shop or you're going to be operating from home. Let them know what stage of business you're at. Let them know what your goals are. Is it a side business, primary income, or is it something new completely? Pick a category. Check if you want to save your progress or not. Now, they're even recommending you get a registered agent, and I really recommend you do. Do you need an EIN and business documents? Like I said in the video, you really should go through that rather than going to the IRS website and possibly making any mistake that could cost you your filing entirely. This is where they're going to tell you all of their packages. They have the starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. This is going to break it down for you. The pro plan is going to cost you $199 per year. It has its advantages. You can go through the full package detail as well. ZenBusiness Money Pro is an added feature which helps you manage your money and finances all in one place. Check if you want to get the expedited or rush filing. If you're in a hurry, you can go for it. If you're not and you can wait a couple of days, I recommend you do that. They also offer online tools like your custom website, domain name, privacy, email address. So if you're looking for that, you can add that on as well. Check if you want a customized operating agreement. Like I said earlier, it's better if you have one. Select if you want annual worry-free compliance. It's really up to you. It's basically them handling your annual taxes. Fill out your information here that they require, name and suffix, whatever they need, email and number. Review your order, see if you have anything you want to check, or if you want to include anything or take away anything, and then you can just continue to payment, and that's all you need to set up your LLC with ZenBusiness. So now that you created your West Virginia LLC, what else do you need? You need a company business bank account and a business credit card. You need to file the Virginia business permits and licenses. You need to get general liability insurance and professional liability insurance covering your employees. You need to file a West Virginia annual report every single year. I really hope this detailed video helped you out on how to exactly start off your LLC in West Virginia, and I wish you the best of luck if you're starting off your business there. Please continue supporting our channel by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the little notification button. Thank you for watching.